My name is Travis, and people let me help them buy new Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram products at Huffines in Plano. You're invited to let me give you the same service. The 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid has an important safety feature called the Audible Pedestrian WARNIng. The feature uses distinct sounds to help ensure the safety of other road users and pedestrians. Volume for the Audible Pedestrian Warning System was recently increased on this model per National Highway Traffic Safety Administration regulations. Here is the sound. A sound synthesizer and speakers on the front and rear are used to ensure pedestrians are aware a vehicle is driving nearby. This is important because hybrid operation can be very quiet. The sound is active when the speed is below approximately 22 miles per hour in drive or reverse. The sound gradually increases with speed. Once the speed increases, or if the gas engine is engaged, the sound is deactivated. If the Pacifica Hybrid is in neutral, the sound emits from both speakers simultaneously. We at Huffines hope you enjoyed this video. If there's ever anything that can be done to help you or anybody you know, please give me a call or shoot me a text.